Hi all you beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I decided to do something a bit different. I wanted to step out of my comfort zone and I did recreate a celebrity makeup look, and I want to see how a celebrity makeup look, and I chose Kylie Jenner, and I will be posting the picture so you guys know which look I did recreate. So yeah, and I know what you guys are thinking. I know I have small lips. What am I thinking? But you know what? I did enhance the lips just a tiny bit. You guys can see I did overline them, and I think the look looks. Yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you guys get notified every time I do upload. And yeah, let's jump right into it, you guys. Hi guys, so I'm gonna be picking up my Morphe M35 palette, and I'm gonna pick up this very beautiful brownish with a pink undertone kind of a shade, and I'm gonna apply this all over the eyelid and blend it out very nicely. So as you guys can already tell, I already have the other eye done because I didn't want this video to be too long. But anyways, you guys see me packing on the color and I'm blending it out softly. Packing on and blending it out softly. You guys just keep blending, blend, just keep on blending. Pick up an angled brush like this one, and I'm going to use the black shade in the Morphe M35 palette, and I'm going to use that as an eyeliner. As you guys can tell in the Kylie picture, she has a very blended out kind of an eyeliner look, so that's what we're going to do right now. I'm gonna use a brush like this one to kind of smoke that eyeliner away and give it that hazy kind of a look like Kylie has in her picture. Now I'm just applying my foundation. You can use any foundation that suits your skin. I'm using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation, and I'm just buffing that into the skin to give it a flawless look. Now I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible More Than concealer under my eyes, just dotting that where I want to apply the concealer and buffing that away with a damp beauty blender. Just make sure your under eyes are very bright, as Kylie Jenner normally always has her under eyes very bright. So now I'm just gonna bronze the shit out of my face because Kylie in this picture is very, 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 very tan. So here I'm just taking my Rimmel London bronzer and bronzing my face. Sorry guys, don't mind my daughter in the back. Yes, she's with me at the moment. But anyways, just keep on bronzing your face and give yourself a tan kind of a look. I'm gonna grab the same bronzer and softly contour my nose like Kylie has in her picture. Gonna be highlighting is my nose because Kylie has a very bold highlight on her nose, so that's what I'm doing here. And then after that I'll be highlighting my cheekbones and a little bit on my cupid's bow. Next I'm going to be grabbing the same highlighter on a small brush like this and applying it on the tear duct. And I forgot to mention that I did apply my falsies off camera, so yes, I already have my falsies on. Next I'm taking this big face blending brush and I'm just blending away everything, making sure there aren't any harsh lines and everything looks nice and smooth. I'm gonna grab the same Rimmel London bronzer with a small brush like this, and I'm gonna slowly apply it right below my bottom lip to kind of give my lips a bigger look, so I can make my lips look a little larger like Kylie's. Okay guys, now the fun part. So I'm just gonna grab a lip liner and I'm gonna outline my lips and I'm gonna overdraw them just a little bit to give them a bigger appearance and make them look like Kylie's just a tad bit. And now that my lips look a bit scary, I'm gonna grab this mauvey kind of a shade and apply this liquid lipstick all over my lips. And yeah. That lip shade was a bit darker than what Kylie has on, so I'm applying this peach kind of a shade to make it look like Kylie's. Applying my mascara on the upper lashes and a generous amount on the lower lashes as well. Mascara on the lower lashes is a definite must for the Kardashian slash Jenners, and it definitely is for me as well. So I'm just applying a generous amount on the lower lashes. Last but not least, I'm gonna spray my face with a dewy setting spray, as Kylie has a very dewy kind of a look, so that's what I'm going for. So yes, dewy it is. So guys, let me know what you guys think of this look. If you think I did very well, if I did terrible, if I did very well, comment down below and let me know. I would love to hear your opinions. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you guys get notification every time I do upload. So since we got that out the way, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!